welcome back to the UPMO. How you guys doing today? So today I'm making this video clip is so you can showing you guys how to repair. How I repair my fish tank for my new shipment. Let me show you my tank. So this on my Flowerhorn tank. It's completely empty. So I will put stuff in there later. And then today we unboxing the new filter. This filter. This I'm showing you guys the this one aquarium filter. I don't know. Yeah, they're just saying aquarium filter, but this one is the Fovo F6, I think. Alright, let's do unboxing it. So you guys ready? I'm gonna push you guys over here. So what you guys see? See you guys? The tank, the filter. Open it. We got this case on this side. Right there. This one on the filter, you see it? The white filter, I like white color. It's up here, the pack really good. So this is like getting without damages. Unbox, see. Ta-da! Let's see how it look. They look cute, huh? Okay, I'm gonna leave it right there. Let's see what we have in here. Outside filter, construction. This is the code of it. Oh, the HW 302. This is how it works. They're showing how it works. See the red one or the ink water, and then the blue is our water. Okay, leave it on this side. This one, you know what it does, right? Got this one. I think this one will go up here. Bingo! It go up there. This one, carbon filter. This one, thing. I have to connect it. This one too. So this, they give us this to make it inside the tank. So like one ink water will come in right here. This is our water coming out. So all this, it help we decorate how we want like hang in the tank. So now let's go ahead and do it, and then I show you guys the result later. If you're new in this channel, please one like, one subscribe down here for me. Thank you very much. That's very helpful for me, and stand by. Alright, this is the final. This is my tank. It's gonna be for 3 Flowerhorn, one on each one. The white thing right there is the salt, natural sea salt. So natural sea salt with is clean the tank. It make the tank like clean. And there the heat I turn it on like around 84 already. The Flowerhorn is good for like around 80 to 84. So I keep them on 84. And then the salt. So on last time I did review the filter, right? So I put the filter down there. So we see like this is the water coming out. So you guys it coming in here. This one. So that's the water. This one the water going in. You see there. It will come in here to the filter. Clean in the filter. Come back up here. So the water will be going. As you guys can see, the water is flowing on this side. So it's will flowing on that to there, and they're going back down to the filter. So that will clean down here, which is very helpful. So the filter already, tank already, and then show you guys some of my container for betters, and then some of my tank for guppies. And then the fish are coming on this weekend, which is on Saturday. So stand by and see. It's gonna be a lot of fun fish. I also put some trailer in there, some male betters, some female betters, so you can see what's coming. Alright, thank you very much guys. Hope you can enjoy the video, and then come back whenever I have new video. Thank you. Stay safe.